This video is to show the no start condition of a 2002 998. This bike does have fresh fuel filter, brand new battery that registers 13.5 volts standing, brand new ignition and fuel pump relays. And as far as I can tell, ignition switch and key switch both work as they should. Here the fuel pump prime, and when you hit the starter button, now during this whole time, you can actually see the injectors firing inside the throttle housing. Might be able to even still see the mist of the fuel right now. And if you crack the throttle while starting it, or trying to start it, cycle the key again. Loud backfiring through both the intake and then a puff out of the exhaust.